Hey guys, we are
105 Degrees.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Jess.
I'm Jennifer, and today we're reacting to iKON's Airplane.
Woohoo. Airplane. Airplane.
Oh my god, that brings back horrible memories.
Hey, ready?
Superstar SM. Go. Oh look, an actual airplane.
Aww. He looks so good.
Oh,
Oh, Bobby. Oh my gosh.
oh god.
He looks really good.
Oh, I saw a gif of that. Yes, ripped jeans. Juho's blonde.
I love his black hair.
I know, it looks so good on him.
Oh wait, oh
Wait, so
no. Wait, so like,
it's just Bobby and the guy right now.
And a girl.
Oh, he's so cute.
I know. She's so pretty.
I want him to look at me like that.
Ah!
Oh, what a cockblocker. Juho!
he's 23.
He's so short. So cute. I want to be that girl. Oh.
Mermaid do it better.
It's totally third wheeling.
Literally.
That's so funny. Oh!
He looks so good. And his voice
Oh.
is so nice. He's wearing contacts. Oh my god.
He looks so good. Oh yes, Bobby.
It's funny they're filming the film.
Is that not position?
Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
Good thing it's covered with a hat then.
Yeah.
Oh, that look though.
I know.
Is that you? Dom?
Yeah.
Dang it!
Yeah.
Oh, that look. I want to know what the lyrics mean.
Huh?
Who's that?
Zambia.
Yeah, I confused you with Dom.
Oh.
Now
Now he's third wheeling.
dude, Junho.
They look so good.
Junho. He's such a cute puppy. I love him. I want to scratch his cheeks. Oh. Oh.
Because that's totally what they would do. Like their personalities.
Oh my god, Juno's killing. He's so attractive. Oh my god,
He
he
looks
looks
so
really good.
Oh my god, they all look really good. I love his silver hair. Or gray-ish.
He seriously looks like a puppy.
I know the storyline now.
What?
She's moving away and she's gonna ride the airplane every day.
You're like the king of this, like.
What?
Yo, he's right! And now they're
Oh, go get the girl!
Aww. Goals.
Seriously, what is with YG and like super heart? Like, oh, she looks so cute. Don't
She's-
get her! Get her!
She's
No!
And that was the plane in the beginning. She left already.
No!
Told you.
That actually hurts my soul.
Oh my god.
Like,
they all looked really good.
and I
really liked-
emo for some reason. What the
Me
heck?
too.
Oh my god.
I really liked all their outfits because they're like normal, like boy next door sort of. And it looked nice. And they were all so cute. And I loved all their hairstyles.
Junho's blonde. Junho is blonde.
And she's dying.
Junho is blonde. And his voice was really nice.
The song was really nice.
I know. Now I can't wait to watch the next one.
I know.
Ah, okay.
Jonathan? Any thoughts?
Wait, do you want to reiterate the storyline?
Okay. So like at first you see the plane, right? So like, oh, it's just a regular plane because that's what the song's called. But then you see Bobby, what's the other guy?
B.I.
Yeah. Hang out with that one girl, and then so like you would think I think both of them likes them or something like that, and like in the end, the girl leaves because she doesn't like him.
What? Oh my god, no, just scratch that.